Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to find out how to manage the Adalo interface and app builder in Adalo free plan. The link to Adalo will be in the description, so make sure to check it out. First, open your browser and go to the Adalo website. Once the page loads, log into your Adalo account. After logging in, select the app you want to work on. Now look at the main editor screen where the app builder opens. On the left side, notice the Components panel where you can add elements. In the center, you will see the app canvas where screens are displayed. Use the top bar to switch between screens, database, and preview options. Click on any component on the canvas to open its settings on the right side. Use the right panel to adjust properties like text, data, and actions. To move between screens, use the screen selector on the left side. Zoom in or out using the controls to better manage your layout. Save your work regularly as you make changes. Once you are comfortable with the layout, you can build and manage your app more efficiently. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. See you in the next one.